Cupra-born production begins in Europe's largest electric vehicle plant in Zwickau, Germany. Zwickau plant is Volkswagen Group's first production plant for 100% electric vehicles. Zwickau plant is considered the largest and most efficient electric factory in Europe. With a daily output of up to 1.400 vehicle, the German plant has an annual production capacity of around 330.000 electric cars. Other cars produced here: Volkswagen ID.3, Volkswagen ID.4, Audi Q4 e-tron, Audi Q4 Sportback e-tron. The entry-level Cupra-born features a 45 kWh battery and a 148 bhp electric motor. It provides a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 8.9 seconds and a maximum range of 211 miles. There's also a 58 kWh variant, which sends power to a 201 bhp electric motor. It delivers a range of 260 miles, while 0 to 62 miles per hour time os 7.3 seconds. Cupra included e-boost function, which can temporarily increase the motor's output to 228 bhp. There is also a 77 kWh battery, increasing the car's maximum range to 335 miles. Every version of the Cupra-born generates 310 Nm of torque and is rear-wheel drive. The bigger battery offers up to 125 kilowatts DC rapid charging, which allows 62 miles of range in just 7 minutes. Prices will start at approximate €40 in Europe.